Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Samsung account, join a stable Wi-Fi network, and plug the phone in if battery is low. Once done, check the backup source and date so you restore the correct snapshot. Now open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then restore data. Alternatively, launch Smart Switch if you used a local or PC backup. This gets you into the restore flow. The actual transfer begins from these screens. You now choose the backup source and which items to restore. If using Samsung Cloud, pick the device snapshot and tap Restore. If Smart Switch, connect device via USB or Wi-Fi to the PC or target phone and select the backup file. Make sure to select only needed data types to save time. Once you press Start, the transfer runs automatically. Make sure the screen stays on, Wi-Fi remains strong, and do not interrupt the device. The phone will report progress and estimated time. When the restore finishes, restart the phone and sign into your Samsung and Google accounts to trigger full sync. Make sure notifications and app permissions are re-enabled so services behave normally. If some apps or messages didn't restore, reinstall the apps manually from the store and open them to let cloud data repopulate. If the process failed or froze, try again via a wired Smart Switch connection, clear the settings or Smart Switch cache, and confirm the backup file integrity. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.